Come here. Do not go to the video. Okay, Zedo is going to open his new, what is this, truck? Oh, it's like a dumper with a excavator. I don't know what's the name of this. It says here, construction vehicle series. Yeah. Yes. It's already open. What do you want? When you want to put it back? Okay, we'll put it back. Oh, say bye-bye na. I will show you how to use it, okay? Yeah, you can rotate this one here. It will be like this. It will dump the... And then you can put some sand here. Dig and put it here. Shake. Like that. Okay? Bye-bye. Bye-bye.